Бля, вот если она сейчас наебет, то я хуй зайду больше сюда. Не может наебать, не может.
Told you we need a multiply. We got huge rep with 2x. Come on, let's get it out. And the maximum is 1,000. Let's see if we can catch it. Okay. The head is small, but the body, I think it's about what I need. Some crane help. Come on, guys. Come on, crane. Get here faster. Now can let it go. That was a hard one. Come on, crane. Let's get a big one here. We are reaching 30, 40, 42. We need helicopter. Yeah, helicopter's here. Come on. Let's get a big one. We need a bigger one. Come on, a bigger one. 62. We need chopper. Yeah, look at that. We got a chopper here. Can we reach 80? 74. 74 it is.